All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm Willa, and if you're here at Willa Trades, you're here because you're interested in day trading. You saw behind me the charts, and it piqued your interest, or it's something that you're already fooling around with. I've started this channel, of course, because I want to help people who are new and intermediate traders come up in the game, and it can get really frustrating, and everybody knows the psychology aspect of it. But I figured I'd show you the day in the life, so to speak, in setting a watch list for a real trader who's going through learning as we go. Okay, so if you look right behind you, we've got the chart for SPY, and if you're new to this channel, you should know I primarily trade SPX using SPY and QQQ charts. SPY, QQQ, SPX, ES, NQ. Using all those charts to really kind of inform me of how I want to take my trades on SPX. You see behind me a chart with a bunch of lines on it. This is our hourly chart. And we are starting off on a Monday, so I like to take it really slow on a Monday and really look at what happened in the last week. Okay, last week you can see we had a sell-off that continued through the whole week. We had a little consolidation in the middle of the week. We had one off day because Thursday was Jimmy Carter's funeral, so they closed the whole market. Came back Friday, continued to sell off, creating a new area of supply. So we have supply up here, and we also have supply here. Those of you who are new, you need to look up what supply is, but it's where there likely to be a lot of sellers who didn't get on the boat and they have unfilled orders. So we know from that, if we zoom in a little bit, this is today. We've got some supply up here that we're going to be looking for. This will probably take the whole week if we don't continue on the downtrend to actually carry out. So we're going to put it here for now. We'll extend it later. Line it up. This is on the 1 hour time frame. You usually want to use supply on your daily, your 4 hour, and your 2 hour. But for today, just so we have something to measure, we also have a special little area here on Friday where we pushed up and then we had a sell-off. So we're going to mark that area as well. That's around that 584.46 area. We're going to mark that. For me, I always mark those with a purple line. So we're going to do that. That's right, we got to switch. Boom, okay. And the purple line for me just means special area, most recent, either change in direction or rejection. So I'm going to go ahead and change that purple. So that just tells me, hey, it's an impromptu level. If we start pushing up into this, I'm going to look to take a reject here almost automatically. My purple lines are amazing. So we had a bounce here off of a previous purple line, which is the 575 line. Had a bounce in the pre-market here, and we're going to be pushing up. This is the pre-market high and also the last low. So this is probably going to be a strong area of resistance. We can see here in the 1 hour, we also have the exponential moving average 21 EMA moving in around this area. So that's telling me this is probably going to be a strong reject, good for a scalp. I am going to look to take a scalp in this 578 660 to 578.85 area, and then if we break above it, we don't show the proper confirmation and we break above it, I'm going to look to take calls moving up to this 580.2 area. So I'm going to draw out how that looks. So either we're going to move up from open and reject right here, and I'm going to be looking to take this reject, or we're going to move up, blast through, retest, and start to show a move up. I'm going to take this here, okay? That's what I'm going to be looking for. So it's going to be a bounce off pre-market high or a reject off of pre-market high. And that's our quick and easy for SPY. SPX pretty much looks like the same thing. QQQ pretty much looks like the same thing. I'm going to bring it up just for you guys who are interested in QQQ, NQ. You can see here, Our pre-market high is actually close to the purple line on QQQ. So we're going to be looking for it to push up and either reject at the last low or the pre-market high. So just to show you again what that looks like. Let's go. Okay, we're going to be looking for a push up, and we're going to watch it at this level here, and we're going to watch it at this level here. I mostly would be looking for this level because QQQ moves really fast, and reject. And I'm going to take this reject. If we push above, I'm going to use only the SPY and SPX because that means it may be running. And I don't like this bounce. I have too many areas of potential resistance that are on QQQ, so I'm not going to use QQQ today. Chart's not clean, and I'm cleaning these levels up as they go. The reason why I leave them here for a long period of time is when we want to move up to all-time highs, I like to see what comes back down and what turns into a level. And so you can see here, these previous gaps turn into a level. You can see my purple line here served as a little level. And then we've got a fib down here at 50%. So that's why I expect us to move up first, because we're really bouncing the fib. All right. For those of you who are interested in more information on trading, and especially if you would like to see me trade live and kind of see how I use my flow, definitely hit like and subscribe. We look forward to serving you and the community. So many people have helped me over the years that I definitely want to be able to help more people who are at that point where they might be frustrated and help them overcome that. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.